welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am giving you a little room tour of where we're staying at for our New Year's Eve celebration. So this is the Radisson's Park Inn Hotel. So over here we have obviously the door and then the card situation, yeah, all that. And then over here we have where we put our clothes. Looks like that. Okay. And then we have this beautiful mirror. It's full body so I can look at myself and whatnot. I really like this mirror. And then here we have the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Then, yeah, then we have the bathroom area. It has a nice little shower situation. Yeah, the shower is really pretty. I love the art on the shower. Yeah, this is the bathroom. And that's me. Anyway, so here we have our little station here where we have the kettle, the cups, and everything, and then we have our drinks here that we're gonna be having for the new year. And then we have the bed, quite cozy. The pillows are really, really soft. And then we have, okay, the TV's right there, and then we have this little, I don't know, maybe sitting situation, I don't know. And then we have the arts. Yeah, we have these lovely pictures over here. This table, I guess you can like study if you have like, if you come here for like business or whatever, you can do your work over here, but we're not gonna be doing that tonight. Anyway, and then here we have this gorgeous mirror. This amazing view. Yeah. Then we have this lamp situation, and then here I can just sit down and relax, and then I have my candles going. Probably going to pour myself a drink and enjoy my night. See you soon.